In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a ManyChat account. ManyChat is a fantastic tool for automating conversations on social media, and setting up an account is the first step to leveraging all its powerful features. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google search page by typing Google into your address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, type in the search term ManyChat, sign up with Google, and hit enter. This search will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to look for the one that leads directly to ManyChat's main website. After identifying the correct search result, click on the link that directs you to www.manychat.com. This is the official ManyChat site where everything begins. Once the website loads, you'll find a prominently displayed Get Started button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you'll be brought to a page with a few options for connecting. For this tutorial, click on Connect via Meta. This option will link your ManyChat account with your existing social media accounts, which is essential if you wish to integrate ManyChat with platforms like Facebook or Instagram. You'll be prompted to log in using your Instagram credentials, so enter your Instagram email and password when requested. If you're more comfortable using Facebook, ManyChat gives you that option too. Just select the choice that best suits your preference and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or sign up accordingly. Once you've successfully logged in, you're all set with your ManyChat account. Congratulations on completing the initial setup. Now you have access to a range of tools designed to optimize your social media interactions via intelligent chat automation. A great tip is to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with all the features. ManyChat offers a variety of tutorials and guides that can help you utilize the platform more effectively. Whether you want to automate customer support, streamline your marketing communication, or simply engage more effectively with your audience, ManyChat has you covered. In closing, starting with ManyChat is straightforward if you follow these steps. Choose the connection method that works best for you, log in securely, and you're ready to explore and automate your social media world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy chatting!